take me on a surprise trip. I have no idea where we're going.
We're about to go find out.
Hi, how are you?
How can I help you today? Oh, just printing out our boarding passes. Stop looking.
Should I not look?
What are we doing?
Looking at magazines.
Why is that?
Because our flight got delayed.
By 3 hours. But we're gonna make the best of it, because what are we doing right now?
Looking at magazines?
Going on the shopping spree.
We're going on a shopping spree. So far we have no purchases.
She can get whatever she wants here.
Yeah.
And who are we gonna see in San Francisco?
Well, first we haven't said where we're going.
Oh shoot.
We're going to San Francisco.
And who are we gonna see?
We're gonna see our friends Juan and Whit.
Yay!
I'm so excited. They moved a few months ago.
You may have seen Juan in a clip at one of our Vancouver blogs. This is what it's come to. What are you considering?
Organic life.
Because that's what we live, huh?
Yeah. Ooh, Oprah. Ooh, she looks so sly on the cover.
Oh, there I am. Oh, gotcha. What are we deciding on?
Rachel Ray and Oprah. Oh my god, I'm 100.
Welcome to 28.
Whatever, I like what I like.
I don't know why people are getting up. We're still on boarding for another.
The flight just got delayed another half hour.
Happy birthday to Carmen. We'll get there at some point.
Made it on the plane.
Barely. Guess who we're on a flight with?
Hold it in her seat. Okay, baby. We had to deplane because we're delayed an additional 2.5 hours. Happy birthday to me.
Yep.
Cheers.
One day her birthday is gonna finally just kick off, but it's not yet.
No, I'm cursed. So
We'll get there eventually.
So this is turning into a birthday spent at an airport. So that's fun.
We're just hoping we can make our dinner reservation in San Francisco tonight for her birthday, but at this point, who knows?
Seems unlikely. We live here now.
Forward our mail.
Please.
Bob Hope Airport.
Terminal 3.
I think he used the word hope loosely.
And we're back on the plane, just like that. This is gonna be the most boring vlog ever. We just like get on planes, get off them, complain about it, get back on them.
Is that a pun? Complain about it? We've been at the airport for 4 hours.
So ready to be home, or not home, in San Francisco.
Anywhere.
Anywhere.
What's happening right now?
We're moving. We made it.
Please make sure you have all your personal belongings before you exit the aircraft, and be careful when opening overhead compartments.
We made it.
Only 3 hours after we were supposed to get in.
Yeah.
United and Star Alliance partners fly to depart from various terminals.
Okay, so we're here. 3 hours
If you
later.
checked your carry-on baggage and received the green.
Okay. And she's
On behalf of United, our Star Alliance partners, and your entire flight crew,
Perfect. Got it. You took a picture? Really? Really? No, I'm videoing this.
I knew made it.
The sun is bright. Like the second time Carmen's hat has done that. Almost.
We are going to Airbnb and I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm very tired. And then we're going to a romantic dinner.
We're gonna go to a dinner. Down by the water.
Is this really where we're staying?
No, get out.
Really?
Yeah.
Honey.
So cute.
Honey.
So clean and cute.
I love it.
I
Really?
picked it for all the white.
You did good. Honey.
Are you excited?
Really?
Is this for one night?
Still.
Do you like it?
I love it. Thank you, honey. Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy birthday. Are you excited?
I'm so excited. This is the best birthday ever.
It only took a few hours to get there.
But it was worth it.
Hold on. Look to your left. Look to your left. Wave to yourself.
Now? Like this?
Yep, that's perfect. Give yourself a high five. That's perfect. Okay, now go consume yourself. Oh, are you dancing?
Did it work?
Oh my gosh, it's so funny. Okay, now fall into yourself. Get a load of this gal.
Did it work?
There it is. Yep. Okay, you weirdo. Get out of here. Oh, the sister she wishes she had. Herself. We just finished Carmen's birthday dinner.
We didn't bring you along because
it was private.
it was beautiful and Rory planned it and it was so nice.
It was like, I mean, I'm not gonna go ahead and toot my own horn, toot, but it was like absolutely beautiful. The setting was amazing.
Great.
Yeah,
Thank
it was
you.
really wonderful. And all the food was phenomenal. Yeah.
So now we're gonna walk around a little bit and
Chilly.
then go back to the Airbnb and probably make out a little. You can't see that.